Hello everyone and welcome to a quick OneNote tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to rotate a PDF file for OneNote. This is actually quite simple. But to understand what options we have for this, I first open OneNote, and I have to mention here that there is no function for this within OneNote. I can't rotate my PDF by right-clicking either, although there is a corresponding feature for this for images. So if your PDF is not in the right orientation, it needs a little planning before importing it. I have prepared a PDF that we want to import into OneNote right away, but the orientation is not correct at the moment. The good thing is that you don't need a special tool for this, because this is also possible with any browser. For this tutorial I will open the PDF with Google Chrome. Now I get the option to print my PDF on the top right. In addition to your default printer and save as PDF, I have another option when OneNote is open in the background. This is called OneNote Desktop. I select this, go to More Settings and Print using System Dialog. And here I can now change the orientation of my PDF from portrait to landscape. Once this is done, I click on Print and the PDF is imported into OneNote. Here I now have to select the right notebook and page. And we can see that my PDF has now been inserted here in landscape format. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.